Hey everyone, welcome to Naukri Finders. My name is Aradhya, and today I'm going to share a genuine notification which is coming from Wipro. So yes, Wipro Recruitment 2021 is out, guys. The full-time job is here. If you are from any part of this country, you can apply for this post. It is completely work from home for now, due to the COVID, obviously. But after COVID, you have to go to your required location. So yes, the Wipro Recruitment is out, and if you are not subscribed our channel, please go and hit the subscribe button, and please follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram handle name is Naukri Finder. So let's start today's video. So first, talking about job description. So very simple job description is given here. You can read it. So the Work Integrated Learning Program 2021 is here. It is also known as WILP 2021. It's a unique learning integrated program which is offering BCA and BSc students to get a chance to build a remarkable career at Wipro while pursuing their higher education in MTech from a premier educational institute in India, sponsored by Wipro, obviously. So talking about job description, you will get first, talking about the qualification, it's 10th part student can apply here, 12th part students can also apply here, graduation 60% or 6.0 CGPA above as applicable by the university guidelines. So you have to be 10th pass, 12th pass, and graduation more than 60%. So year of passing is given 2021 only. If you are from 2021 batch, you can apply here. The qualification which is given, that Bachelor of Computer Application BCA can apply, Bachelor of Science, eligible streams computer science, information technology, mathematics, statistics, electronics, and physics. So these are some fields you can apply. If you are from this field, you can apply here. Okay. If you are from engineering background, so obviously you can apply. So no problem. Other criterias are given here. So mandatory to have studied core mathematics as one subject in the graduation. You should have one subject of maths in your graduation, then you can apply. So business maths and applied maths will not be considered as the core mathematics in graduation. Okay, so maximum of 3 years of education gap, if any, is allowed between 10th and graduation. So not more than 3-year graduation gap can apply. Okay, so no gaps are allowed in the graduation should be completed within the 3 years. Okay, so graduation education should be regular full time only in 10th, 12th, and graduation recognized by the central and state government of India. Okay, so all areas and backlogs need to be cleared at the time of selection process. So at the time of the selection process recruitment, you should be cleared with all your backlogs and other stuffs. So should be an Indian citizen or should hold a PIO or OCI card in the event of holding a passport of any other country. So Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. Candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 3 months, you are not eligible, guys. So if you had applied for Wipro less than, and it's a time less than 3 months, so you can't apply. If it is more than 3 months, then definitely you can apply. So talking about the payment details, so your payment will be, first year stipend will be 15,000 rupees plus 488 ESI will be there. So second year stipend will be 17,000 rupees plus 553 ESI. Third year will be 19,000 plus 618 ESI. Fourth year will be 23,000. Okay. So talking about the bond, there will be 60 months. Okay. So on joining, candidates will be required to sign a service agreement for 60 months. So you had to sign a service agreement for 60 months. Okay. Now talking about the selection process. So selection process will be online assessment. There will be the aptitude test, verbal, analytical, quantitative. Each selection section has 20 minutes per 20 questions. So you had to do 1 minute per question. Written communication test also will be there for 20 minutes. So there will be medium high level aptitude test, and normal questions will be there based on your that time and work and all that stuff. Upon selection in the online assessment, candidates will be required to go through a technical interview. followed by an HR interview. So there will be a technical round. You will be asked for coding questions as well, and after that there will be an HR round. So talking about the last date, it is 27th of August 2021. So you had to apply before 22nd of August. Online assessment dates will be informed via email. Okay. So for any queries and clarification, please reach out to manager.campus@wipro.com. Okay. For your any doubts, you can get to in touch for that manager.campus@wipro.com mail using the subject line WILP 2021. The same will be responded within 3 working days. Okay, so you will get the reply within the 3 working days. So that's it for today's video. If you like our video, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.